When it comes to the maintenance of your swimming pool, it's very important to regularly brush the walls and floor. And the reason that you would do this is because a lot of the debris is going to settle on these surfaces or cling to these surfaces. And what you want to have happen is you want kind of everything up in suspension in the water such that it's going to get drawn through the filtration system and removed from the pool. If you let everything kind of just be stuck to the walls and floor, you probably will end up prematurely with things like algae growing or biofilm, or it'll feel kind of slimy to the touch. And it should be something that you're doing regularly for your pool, like more than once a week. You're going out there and you're brushing the walls and the floor thoroughly to get all of that stuff up into the water such that the filtration system can remove it and the chemicals can do something about it. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.